Hi family, welcome back and thank you for coming back. If you have been looking for a hair mask that will promote longer, thicker and healthier hair, then this one is for you. And the coolest thing about this is that you only need two ingredients and you also have to use it just once a month. It is one of the very first simple good hair masks that I ever made when I just started my natural hair journey. So in today's video I'm going to share that recipe with you, so please continue watching. The first ingredient is fenugreek seeds. You see these fenugreek seeds that do not exactly smell nice, they are one of the first things, the first natural ingredients that I will recommend to anyone looking to grow long, thick, healthy hair. So if you wake me up in the middle of the night and ask for a recommendation in this line, this is going to be one of the things that will come up. These seeds have protein that will help to rebuild damaged hair shafts and maintain a healthy length. They also contain substances that can help to stimulate hair follicles and encourage new growth. And when you blend the seeds, you'll notice that the paste is slimy. That's because it has mucilage that will help to soften, detangle, and condition your hair. For the scent that you probably won't like, you can add coconut oil or essential oils to mask it, or just bear with it for a little while and rinse thoroughly afterwards. The first step to making this mask is soaking fenugreek seeds overnight, and 2 tablespoons were enough for me. So after soaking them overnight, the next thing is to blend them. So I'm going to blend them like 80 to 90% soft before introducing the other ingredients, since the fenugreek seeds are harder than the ingredients we are going to introduce next. And the second ingredient I'm talking about is banana. I have made quite a lot of videos talking about the benefits of banana for our hair, not just the fruits but also the peels. Anyways, for this recipe we'll use banana fruit itself, since it's much easier to handle as a mask. So bananas contain a lot of vitamins like A, B, C and E, potassium, natural oils, silica and a lot of other things. In all, bananas help to promote hair growth, strengthen hair, deeply conditions hair, improves scalp health and also reduce hair loss. After adding and blending the banana, we're going to have to strain the mixture so that we don't have bits sticking to our hair. I remember the first time I put bananas on my hair, I didn't strain it. I just blended the thing and applied on my hair, and oh boy, it was quite a hassle getting it out of my hair. I don't even quite remember exactly what I did to get it out, but I still remember that my brother used that to tease me for a very long time, and it's not funny. Okay, it's not funny at all. So after straining your mask, just add an oil, your favorite oil. The oil I added here is my oil mix. Adding an oil makes a great difference. And now we have the mask, so I'm going to go ahead and apply it. I've said it many times that masks and treatments like this are best applied on clean hair. So I've shampooed my hair and I'm going to apply the mask now. So applying on clean hair, you must have cleared all the barriers and oils and dirt that could hinder the easy penetration of the nutrients that are found in the hair treatment or the hair mask. Another thing that I really like about this recipe is the fact that it doesn't create so much of a mess when I use it. Like it's able to hold liquid, so when I apply it on my hair, I don't have liquid leaking down my body, as has been the case with some other recipes that I've created and used before. Just look at that definition, and yes, it's the work of banana and fenugreek. Alright, I'm going to generously apply the mask all over my hair and my scalp, my hair length and my scalp. The tendency of forgetting or ignoring the scalp is very high. It has happened to me several times, so take note and keep that in mind when you apply the mask on your hair. Make sure that you don't forget or you don't ignore your scalp. Even though I'm working in bigger sections, I make sure that every strand of my hair is coated in this hair mask. Alright, family, I'm done applying the mask, so I'm going to cover my hair with a plastic bag and I will leave that for 1 hour before I go ahead and rinse my hair. So after 1 hour, I'm just going to rinse the hair with water, no more shampoo, because I did shampoo my hair before applying the mask. So I'm just going to rinse it with water, and then I follow up my with the rest of my wash day routine, which include applying conditioning, deep conditioning, and then applying a leave-in conditioner. We still have that definition after rinsing out the mask from my hair. I did use lukewarm water to rinse it, and my hair feels soft and it just feels so good. You know, shrinkage is an indication of healthy hair, right? Wait, let me share one fear that I have with you. Recently, I have been gradually introducing heat on my hair. So, this is like the third time I am blow drying my hair since I started my natural hair growth journey. And honestly, it's a lot of work for me, aside the fear of damaging the hair that has taken me 5 years to grow to this length. Blow drying my own hair seemed to be a lot of work for me, and I seem to prefer the African threading method that I am so used to doing. So please, if you have it easy blow drying your own hair, kindly leave your tips on the comment section. Please, please, please. I was practically watching a tutorial on YouTube while doing this. It did help a lot, and I needed to blow dry my hair because of the style that I wanted to install. I actually recorded the installation process, and I hope you will watch it when I am done editing. Alright, family, thank you so much for watching this video. Please, please, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you have not yet done so. You're supposed to have subscribed already. Kindly share this recipe with someone who needs it, and don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in another video. Bye bye.